I just received this box with plants that I ordered from Etsy. I already opened this box, but I haven't unpacked it. So they put this in between so they do not move. And these are the plants that I ordered. Let's see. So one of them is the Proud Berry Coralberry, and this grows 3 to 4 feet tall and wide, and it's mainly grown for the fall berries. It says it's used as a specimen of borders and cutting gardens. Requires hardiness zone 3 to 7, and is full sun to part shade. So that is one. Next one is Mr. Poppins, and this one I mainly got it because I have the berry poppins, and this will be the pollinator for it. So this is a winter berry holly. Also, it's showing little white berries and flowers, so that will be a plus. This one, hardiness zones 3 to 9, so it's very wide range. Full sun to part sun. Grows 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. And season of interest, spring and summer. I hope that by the leaves, I recognize which one is which. And the last one is Aphrodite Sweet Shrub. This is the hardiness zones 5B to 9. Grows 6 to 12 feet tall and wide. Again, full sun. And season of interest is summer. It could be in a specimen, or it could be planted in borders. So let's try to figure out which one is which. This is how it comes. It also has tape in here so the soil doesn't move. Let's see. I just want to open it a little bit. It's moist, but no soaking wet. And this is, I think this is Aphrodite. Maybe not. Maybe this is Aphrodite. Oh gosh. We'll figure it out. We will figure it out. Even if I have to Google it. Just for reference, this is the size of all of them. That's how I received the El Niño Chitalpa. This one is very dry. No, I don't want to say very dry. It's just more dry than the other one, but it still has a little bit of humidity. And this one, okay, so now let's try to figure out which one is which. By the leaves, this looks like that one. Huh. I don't know. I think I know. Look at the leaves in here and look at these leaves. I think this is Mr. Poppins. So then this is Proud Berry Coralberry. This one has a little of mold or powdery mildew. This is how they came. This is how they look. The other ones look really healthy. This is the only one that I'm a little worried. But it's okay. We will see. Okay, so that's my unboxing, and we will need to repot them. But that I took these 3 containers that I have on hand. They have drainage hole, and I filled them up with potting soil, added some starter fertilizer, and repotted the plants. I went ahead and cleaned every dead leaf or damage, all the ones that had the powder mildew, and sprayed a little bit of neem oil on that one. They had powder mildew, the Proud Berry Coralberry, sorry. The rest were okay. Some of the leaves had a little bit of damage, nothing major, probably insects or transportation. But they look pretty good. I am gonna make sure I water them and keep an eye on them. I'm probably gonna keep it protected for the winter since they are so small. I didn't show you the roots, but they have really healthy, beautiful roots. But still, they're very young, so I'm gonna keep them protected. So next spring, we could plant them out. This is all I have. I'm very happy with how the plants are looking. So time will tell, right? This is all I have for today. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.